Hey there, have you ever wondered what makes Bitcoin so special? What is it about this digital currency that has captured the imagination of so many people around the world? Well, today we're going to break it all down for you in simple terms. We'll explore the ins and outs of Bitcoin, making it easy for anyone to understand. So stick around to learn more about this fascinating digital currency. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of knowledge, there's something here for everyone. In this video, we break down the concept of Bitcoin in simple terms, perfect for beginners looking to understand the basics of this popular cryptocurrency. We'll cover everything from how Bitcoin transactions work to the technology behind it. Learn about how Bitcoin works, its history, and its potential impact on the future of finance. Discover the journey of Bitcoin from its mysterious origins to its current status as a revolutionary financial tool. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this easy-to-follow guide will help you grasp the fundamentals of Bitcoin. We'll also touch on some common misconceptions and frequently asked questions. Stay tuned till the end for valuable insights and tips. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of Bitcoin and be better equipped to navigate the exciting world of digital currencies. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto, is a groundbreaking innovation in the world of digital currencies. It revolutionized the world of finance and technology by introducing a decentralized form of currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates independently of a central bank, making it truly unique and innovative in the financial landscape. Traditional currencies face numerous challenges like inflation, centralized control, and the need for intermediaries in transactions. With Bitcoin, these issues are a thing of the past, as it offers a decentralized solution that eliminates the need for a central authority. Its decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control over the network, making it more secure, transparent, and resistant to censorship or manipulation. So how does Bitcoin work? It operates on a decentralized system called the blockchain. This technology securely records all transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency and immutability. This means that every transaction is verified and cannot be altered. One key aspect of Bitcoin is its limited supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity contributes to its value and makes it a sought-after asset. Unlike traditional currencies that can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin's fixed supply ensures its value over time. In summary, Bitcoin offers numerous benefits, including privacy, security, and the potential for significant investment returns. It allows for anonymous transactions, protecting your financial information from prying eyes. Its decentralized nature and limited supply make it a valuable addition to any investment portfolio. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or financial institution, giving you more control over your assets. So whether you're looking to diversify your assets, hedge against inflation, or simply curious about the future of money, Bitcoin is definitely worth exploring. Its innovative technology and growing acceptance make it a fascinating and potentially lucrative opportunity. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrencies. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Now that you have a good grasp of Bitcoin's fundamentals, let's dive into Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying and adding transaction records to Bitcoin's public ledger, known as the blockchain. This task is performed by miners using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. Mining not only secures the network, but also releases new Bitcoins into circulation, rewarding miners for their efforts. However, as more Bitcoins are mined, the difficulty of these problems increases, requiring even more computational power. As a result, mining has become a highly competitive and resource-intensive process. If you're interested in learning more about the technical aspects and profitability of Bitcoin mining, stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. In the world of Bitcoin, securing your digital assets is crucial, and that's where Bitcoin wallets come into play. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoins. There are several types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, mobile wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them highly secure. Software wallets are applications installed on your computer or mobile device, providing a balance between convenience and security. Mobile wallets are perfect for on-the-go transactions, while paper wallets offer a physical form of cold storage. Each type has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that best suits your needs. In our next video, we'll guide you through setting up your first Bitcoin wallet. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. So you've learned what Bitcoin is, how it works, and how to store it securely. Now, let's dive into how you can actually buy Bitcoin. There are several methods to purchase Bitcoin, each with its own steps and considerations. First, you can use cryptocurrency exchanges. These platforms allow you to trade traditional currency for Bitcoin. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. You'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and link a payment method. Another option is Bitcoin ATMs, which are physical kiosks where you can buy Bitcoin using cash or a debit card. Simply scan your wallet's QR code, insert cash, and the Bitcoin will be sent to your wallet. Lastly, peer-to-peer platforms like Local Bitcoins enable you to buy directly from other Bitcoin holders. This method often offers more privacy and flexibility. Remember, always do your research and choose reputable platforms. Happy buying! Now that you've acquired Bitcoin, it's crucial to understand how to keep it secure. Bitcoin security involves several best practices to protect your investment from theft and loss. First, always use a reputable wallet with strong security features. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor are highly recommended for their robust protection against hacking. Secondly, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Make sure to back up your wallet's private keys and store them in a safe offline location. Losing access to your private keys means losing your Bitcoin forever. Lastly, be cautious of phishing scams and never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. Regularly update your software to benefit from the latest security patches and enhancements. By following these guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of losing your Bitcoin. Stay vigilant and secure your digital assets. As we look towards the future, the potential for Bitcoin continues to grow. Many experts believe that Bitcoin could revolutionize the financial world, offering an alternative to traditional banking systems. With increasing institutional adoption and advancements in blockchain technology, Bitcoin's role in the global economy could become even more significant. Governments and regulatory bodies are also beginning to recognize its importance, which could lead to more widespread acceptance and integration. While the journey ahead may be filled with challenges, the resilient and decentralized nature of Bitcoin positions it as a pioneering force in the digital age. Whether it's creating new financial opportunities or driving technological innovation, the future of Bitcoin is undoubtedly bright and full of possibilities. As we conclude our journey through the world of Bitcoin, it's clear that this digital currency is more than just a trend. It's a transformative force. From its decentralized nature to its potential for financial inclusion, Bitcoin offers a new way of thinking about money and value. While challenges remain, the community's resilience and innovation continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, Bitcoin's story is one of empowerment and opportunity. As we move forward, let's embrace the possibilities and continue to explore the revolutionary impact of Bitcoin on our global society.